Hey y'all, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I just got a 12+ pound priority mailbox of fabric that I wanted to open with you all so you could see all of these gorgeous prints that have arrived from our friends over at HawthorneThreads.com. That truly is my favorite source for fabric. This is quite a bundle. It actually is really heavy. Okay, so inside of here I have a lot of their custom prints that they design and print in-house. So they package those with the wrong sides facing out. So we'll have to unwrap those, but I'll start with these ones here, which are classic cotton fabrics, and show you these pretties. Got some Minky dot here. Really lovely. And this is going to become a diaper bag. And these are some very sweet. There's fawns on one side and a floral on the other. The fawns are for the diaper bag and the floral is for a camera bag. Beautiful, right? Let me put that aside. And then these are the accents for the diaper bag. So we're going to pair those fawns with these beautiful feathers and then this gorgeous geometric. And I'll bring back the fawns for you to see those all three together. It's going to be a nice combo. This, I believe, is also for a camera bag, and I'm really excited to see these. There's pineapples in here. Okay, so this is the floral, and then look at how great those pineapples are. Oh, and there's one more print on here, I think. Yeah, some really great arrows. And then one more print from the Hawthorne threads. Nope, two more. Some awesome cactuses are in here. Super fun. And then a little cross-hatch. And those go very nice together too. So I hope you enjoyed the fabric preview. I get to work with all of these prints as a result of my custom orders on Etsy, and you can check out some of the beautiful things I make if you head on over to AndreaChapmanDesigns.com. See you next time, all.